drugs how increase the immunity framework include stored the lives of several men in terminus prostate gland carcinoma, say doctors in the UK. The crew at the Institution of Carcinoma Study and the King Marsden Clinic in London told the results were impressive and large transactions. Yet, the treatment will not job for largest patients. Carcinoma Study UK told the following move was to forecast who would answer. Immunotherapy is transformation the treat of carcinoma and is now portion of usual experience for several leather and lung type of cancer. It plant by take the brakes off a patient's own immunity framework so it can assault a tumor. An previous phase test, introduced at the planet's largest meet of carcinoma doctors and scientists in Chicago, is the at first to show how the attitude plant on prostate gland carcinoma too much. In the UK, the illness is the largest overall carcinoma in men and it has newly overtaken chest carcinoma to be the tertiary largest murderer. Michael British, 72, was one of 258 men who took portion in the test. He was at first undiagnosed in 2005, but radiation therapy, chemo, and hormonal-based therapies did not murder his carcinoma. 2 years back, he was taking into account the immunotherapy narcotic pembrolizumab. He told, "We were surprised while scans showed how the tumor had been undetectable. Present I'm efficaciously carcinoma-free." He says same's now planner out the following 20 year of his lifetime, not the following couple. We include several patients in the Marsden who had a full answer. It is a new pointer in the quiver for men in deadly prostate gland carcinoma. He's a big transactions for these patients. Yet, he told how just among 10% and 15% of patients had any answer to the treatment at all. The is an attitude how will not assist the most of men. How is not extraordinary for immunotherapy. It seems to job extremely so for a fistful of patients, include a interim impact in other, and do anything for the otherwise. The crew in London include seen hints how it plant top in patients in the largest hard mutated type of cancer. Nell Berry, of Carcinoma Study UK, told, "This following move will be to discover out how to speak that men will gain of take the narcotic. The is essential as though immunotherapy is breathtaking, it can include harsh party effects. Yours immunity framework is learned to struggle contagion, but it as well attacks components of the flesh if they malfunction, such as in type of cancer. Yet, tumors include a few engineering up their hose in procedure to pull through. They can make a fiber named palladium L1 that switches off any portion of the immunity framework how tries to assault them. Pembrolizumab is one of a package of drugs named control point inhibitors creature advanced by pharmacy companies. They halt type of cancer lathe off the immunity framework so the flesh can hold on offensive the tumor. The received information were introduced at the yearly meet of the US community of clinic cancer.